Hey there, this is Kanen Coffee. We are looking at a Rocket Milano. This unit was brought in because it was making a loud noise. So we diagnosed it, took it apart, and found out that it was the vacuum release valve that was causing the hissing. It wasn't sealing off when it reached the pressure it needed to. So we ended up replacing the vacuum release valve as well as the boiler safety valve. And in the shop. This is our portafilter. It didn't come with the machine, and we also had to put a piece of wood there. Got a bit rustic on them. But yeah, as you can see from the consistent shot, good criminal stream, and no loud noises from the top. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this.